Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to today's platform tip of the week. So, if you have been following the markets, they are extremely volatile lately, right? I mean, the S&P is down 100 points one day, up 100 points the other day. Yesterday, it was up 137, I think, on the high water marker. So, what to do if you want to apply a various bracketing strategy on the trading software that people refer to as a breakout bracket. Now, what this does is it puts an entry order above the market price and an entry order below the market price for a breakout strategy if the market's acting really erratic. I will show you how to set this up. So the first thing you need to do, and see, you can see the market moving around, right? It's going crazy. I generally do not like having auto center checked. I uncheck that and click center periodically. So first thing you want to do is populate the Infinity AT trading platform, select properties, and make sure in the bottom right hand corner breakout brackets is checked. It's a good habit to click set and then OK. So now I have breakout brackets available to me and I want to set up a strategy. So what I'm going to do is select properties. The farthest tab over is breakout brackets. The order type is a stop. So in this case, since it's a breakout strategy, it's entering on a stop. So I'm going to, if the market rips up, I'm going to enter on a buy stop. And if the market rips lower, I want to enter on a sell stop. And the buy offset and sell offset is 15 ticks. And I'll show you what that means in just a little bit. Let's make it a little tighter. Let's do, how about for demo purposes, do 10 and 10. Select OK. Now, once I get a fill, I want to automatically put a bracket around that position so I'm not, nakedly exposed in the market. Now, if I click, first let's set number of contracts, 1, keep it simple. Now, if I click in the middle pricing, you're going to see a buy stop to enter above the market and a sell stop enter to below the market. I'm going to click on the current market price. Bam, I have my breakout. Now, there's a lot of volatility, so I expect even with a 10 tick up, 10 tick down breakout that I'm going to get a fill here pretty quickly. The market is ripping and roaring. And you can see that if I enter here on my buy stop at 29 quarter, it should automatically send my simple bracket around that position with a profit target of 10 and a stop loss of 10. Now, let's see if it can work for me. I just want to show you exactly what would happen if it broke out on either the sell side or the buy side. It's pandering a little bit at 26 right now, but yep, there we go. Got a movement. Got a lot of movement. All right, let's see if we can get a buy entry breakout. Oh, man. It's jumping around. So a good gauge of volatility is volume. In the upper left-hand corner, you can see that it's 1 o'clock Chicago time, and it's already at 1.8 million, which is excellent liquidity and volume. And normally, under regular market trading, you would see hundreds of contracts on either side of the market between the bid and offer, the market depth, right? In this case, you only see several. I mean, not several, you see 20 to 80, but that just goes to show you the amount of contracts being traded on the CME Globex exchange. All right, I think we're going to get a breakout here. Oh, just barely touched it. Oh, it didn't touch it. Barely nipped it. A lot of volatility. A lot of volatility in these markets. Maybe it would have been better to do this in the NASDAQ. Let's see if we can get a push down. And this is good for, when the market's kind of chopping around at one price interval because we're thinking 10 ticks up, 10 ticks down from this initial price. It's probably going to continue to move in that direction, right? Or we would assume that given the strategy that that's our entry point and a breakout trade. Click center. Now you can do this not only for the S&P, but you can apply this in thinner markets such as the NASDAQ, the Russell, the Dow Jones has been an absolute tear lately. A pretty crazy amount of volume and volatility that we've been seeing. Oh, almost touched it again. can see it's just almost, it's at 29 even, not 29 quarter. So there, bang, entry on a breakout. Automatically put my sell stop behind the market. You can see the market still ripping in that breakout towards my profit target. And I'm going to get a fill right there. Bang. That is the breakout to the upside when the market was kind of chopping at one price interval. And that is what we call a breakout bracket. Thanks, guys. As always, if you want me to do any particular videos, just email me directly, mz@infinityfutures.com. As always, have a very productive week. Thank you.